Here, tell me.
Your mask makes you look like an alien.
Thank you. Why? Because it comes in?
Yeah.
A little Darth Vader-esque? Uh, we will later. Okay, here we go. So, yes, I did. Perfect. I am screen sharing and I am recording. Okay. Oh my gosh, Haley.
You ready for class?
I am ready for class.
I'm not.
I could hardly tell. All right. So a linear system are where two equations cross, or two lines cross. Okay. We're working with this week. Okay. We're kind of building off, like last week we learned how to graph lines, what lines meant, and so on, so forth. But this time we're just learning where we can cross those two lines and what it means, more importantly. Okay. If you ever hear of a POI, that means point of intersection. Okay, where the two lines cross. So, for example, right here is our POI, our point of intersection, where those two lines cross. Right. So here's my first challenge for you. Tell me in point, like write it as a point, where x comma y, where do these two lines cross? Write on your board, then show me. Now, I have not accepted any of those answers yet. They're all right, but almost wrong. They're all also wrong. Oh, there, Andrew. Very good. Amelia's good, too. Emily's good. Good, good. That's right. 2-2.
Oh, I was
2-2.
right.
Good. Good job, Haley. I always believed in you. So the answer is 2, 2, right? 2 over, 2 up. Okay, how about this bad boy? Remember, I'll give you a hint here before you write down. This way first, then this way second. No. But you guys are opposite. Look at my lines I drew here. So remember, you put your negative on the wrong side.
Oh, that's 4, not 1.
Switch them up. That's all right. Haley, not ready for class, is good to go. You need to switch them. Take the negative off the first one. Because here's 0, right? So that's fine. Good. So down here. Yeah. But if you remember, we go right to left first. So we go this way first, the 5, then down. So it's 5, comma, negative 4. I don't think so. You might have. I might have made a mistake then. Okay. How about this one? Remember, horizontal first, then vertical second. Who can tell me the short form for what you're finding? The POI, the point of intersection. Good. Almost. Negative, think about it, negative 3 first. 1, 2, 3, so that's negative 3. Then up, how far are we going up? Yeah, you did. Yeah. Yeah, so you got to go, think about it like if you're going into someone's house, right? You go in the door, then up the stairs. You have to go in first. So, No.
It's so chilly. I know, I'm freezing.
Okay, so this one here was -3, 5. -3 first, then up to 5.
Sir, can we open the window there?
Not yet. Okay, now we're going to take it back old school.
Ooh, old school.
On your graph, I'll help you with the first one. Okay, we're going to graph this first one.
Okay.
So, do you guys remember what we do first?
Yeah, rate of change.
Not the rate of change, we do the y-intercept first. So the y-intercept here is -1. So I'm going to put a dot at -1. Boom. Can you guys see that okay? Then, what's my rate of change? 2 over, so I go up 2, 1, 2, over 1. Then I draw my line. A nice straight line. I heard that.
That's not even hard.
You shush. Nice, as long as you can. Okay? Now, can you guys, do you want me to do the second one?
No. Is this right?
I don't know yet.
Yeah, -1 over 1.
This would be -1 over 1. So let me do the first one here. So the first dot goes at -4. 1, 2, what's it? 1, 2, 3, 4. I put a dot. And then I'm going to go down 1 over 1. Down 1 over 1, and there's my second dot right there. Then I'll draw my line. Oh, I don't like this line.
You should like the first line.
There we go. Then if I were to identify my POI, it's right here. Okay? Thumbs up, thumbs down for that one? All right. Let's do this one here.
Is there what that would be?
About -2, -3. Yeah, that'd be right. Okay, I want you guys to graph this one.
Oh, tis.
Okay? Pardon? Yeah, slash, like the 2 over 3, I can't write it like that, is 2 over 3 for this one. And this would be -1 over 2 is this one. Chilton, take an ear out before I clip one of those ear things so you can't have 2 ears.
What?
Take my scissors to it so you can't have 2 ears.
Just cut his ear off.
No, I'm not going to cut his ear off. I cut the ear, I cut one earbud off.
You said you can't have 2 ears though.
Yeah, something's wrong with yours. Yours two look similar.
Hey.
I think we did it.
Yeah, ours is good.
You need to make your lines longer so they cross. That's one line.
Is it right?
I don't know. They look, Haley.
Wait, what's the other one?
I haven't done it yet. Haley,
Why is there a -1 over 2?
show her yours.
Oh, there's the other one.
Wait, oh yeah.
Looks, you guys look. It looks about the same. His has looked about the same as yours, doesn't it? Yeah. Look. Yes, it does. Yeah. They cross are in the same place. Write your POI if you can. Approximately. Your approximate POI.
Kind of end the square.
Is this it?
Let me think here. I need.
I got -5 too.
It's just because we're not using rulers, so it's kind of hard to do.
Well, it's going to be as long as it's around the same place.
Well,
We got one of them.
Mr. Was that right?
Your first one looks right. What happened to your first? How come your? So I did the first one. Watch with me here.
Because you
I
can
did
see where the
mark at 5. Then I went up 2 over 3. Does that make?
So where do you start?
So I started at 5 right here. Because this is 5 right here, right?
See where the two lines intersect?
Yes.
Right? 5 there. And then here's my 2 over 3. So I went up 2 over 3.
Oh, that's what I did. I was looking at it from like the Y. Like the
Don't erase
2
it.
over 3. I erased it. Mister, I was looking at the 2 over 3 instead of starting with the 5 and doing the other one, so
Shut up.
Okay.
I must have.
That's none of your business.
I think yours looks good. Haley, yours looks good.
Yeah?
So negative 2, negative 1 over 2. So down 1 over 2.
negative 4K.
Well, it's not going to be perfect because you guys aren't using rulers right now. So realistically, I'm around here.
Okay. Not perfect.
That looks like the
Just
Y.
like you.
Whoa, that's not.
1, 2,
That's quick pop.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have negative 5, 1, personally.
Yeah, I got that. Mister, was that right?
Yeah, that's good. That's better.
Haley woke up and chose 5.
Good. So let's do another one. So this one here, what's the 2 over?
Can I erase?
1.
Over 1. What's the negative 3 over? 1. So for this case, we start, B is negative 3, so that's where we start. And from there, our slope is 2 over 1. Okay, ready, Chilton? Let's do this first one. So negative 3, put your dot at negative 3 along the y-axis. Good. And then leave your pen there. Go up 2 and over 1. Put a dot there. Then draw a line. A big, huge line, Chilton. Don't be afraid. The longest line possible. Yeah, it's got to cross over the other one, right? So draw it like all through the graph. Yeah, keep longer, Chilton.
Is it negative 1 or positive 1?
Mister, like this?
Positive 1. You guys double check. Look at each other's.
That's right.
Looks about right, doesn't it?
Good job, Evan.
Oh, God.
I got it. I haven't. Oh,
And we.
yours two look the same. His doesn't.
Why are my dots in the same spot?
So this next one. What are you doing, Chilton? Chilton, do you erase that? How are two things gonna? If two things don't exist, are they ever gonna cross? That's okay. Yeah. Okay. This one here, our intercept is 2. Okay. Now put a dot at 2. Now. No, don't erase that. Put a new dot at 2. Yeah. And then our slope is down 3 over 1. Down 3 over 1. The same place? Yeah.
Mister, this is where I go.
Oh, you didn't go down 3 over 1 on the second one. So
Why
here.
am I so bad?
So watch here. So I'm at negative 3. 1, 2, 3. Put a dot. Up 2 over 1.
Over 1. And then for the other one, which is
Good.
which
Then my other one is going to be, I'm going to put it in blue.
3 over 1.
I put a dot at 2,
No, you're right. Why did you erase that?
right? Then I'm going to go down 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. Wait, they happen right at the same spot.
Yeah, there is supposed to be.
So what's your POI?
Like that.
Yeah,
So
the only one-
our point of intersection should be 1,
You were right.
negative 1.
Oh, yeah.
Good.
You were right.
Which line do you not agree with, the purple or the blue?
Any of those.
Both? Oh. Okay, so this one here,
Go to do with
our y-intercept is negative 3 for the first one. So I put a dot negative 3. My rise over run is 2 over 1, which means I go up 2 over 1. Okay. Last one to practice. Okay. Here we go. So what's our starting point for this one?
80,
No. What's our starting point for this one?
50.
Positive 1.
I got it right.
Okay. And what's our rise over run, Chilton, for this one? negative
That's a negative 5?
5 over 3.
That's a negative 5.
Yeah, there's a negative right in, there's a little negative right there.
I can't see it.
Well, you see that one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's draw this graph first. So where do we start? Let's double check that one. So I go to 1 first. Chilton, you better be putting this on your paper. Then from here, I go down 5.
What? Oh my gosh.
Right? That's fine. Just take your time with it.
Stupid negative.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to go over 3. 1, 2, 3. Once you think you have it, show someone. Make sure you draw nice and long lines. No itty bitty Chilton lines, please.
Here. That's a perfect one.
Is that good enough for you?
That's good. All right. What's our starting point for this one?
Me?
Yeah. Negative 3. We start at negative 3, and then our rise over run is negative 1 over 3. Okay? Check with someone else. Just don't blindly show me.
Really? Why is it negative 4?
Let me see here. Negative 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think you went up over. Is it you forgot your negative again? So this is negative 1 over 3. So we're going to go down 1 over 3. So you had it right, but you just, Dylan, but you just went up instead of down.
I'm right.
Yeah, you are. Is it negative number?
Yeah.
So our POI for this one
Hey, am I wrong?
is
3
1, 2, 3,
4.
comma, 1, 2, 3,
Oh, because you're going down. Yeah,
negative 5.
Exactly.
I've done this one.
Pardon?
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
So what, I thought this would be wrong.
Mr. O, I have an issue.
Okay, dude.
Class is really cold.
Is it? We'll go for a run outside
Yeah, let's do it. Can we?
so we can warm up.
Try.
Okay. So, does everyone remember how to do this? How to graph a line? If you don't, I'll keep going over it with you. If not, that's the lesson. One second. Your homework here, I'll look in on the homework, yeah. Oops.
Oh, nice answers.
This is the solutions.
4 minus 3. That's one of them. Nice. 2 negative 1.
Where's the homework? Did I not put your homework in?
You put it in.
It's just an ace homework.
Pardon?
Put it in with 3. At the very bottom.
Yeah, but oh, I accidentally put it in the wrong spot. Alright.
Because I checked to see if there was anything added.
I'll throw some.
Oh, Andrew, that's
Oh.
definitely have this computer.
No, I didn't.
I have a question.
Top of the math class.
Give me